Hey.
Are you okay?
Getting the thumbs up.
What's up, everybody? Brandon, Cody. So, we thought we'd talk about a couple things we got going on. One would be Tim's parts sale. He has foot pegs and I believe hand grip, stuff like that, for 15% off until Saturday. And we got some pretty neat stuff in. One is a color bike that nobody's been able to get. This color is insanely popular. It's what everybody's looking for, and we actually got two of them. Tabitha, this one isn't yours. It's in the back getting worked on. Scorched orange and black denim. This and the silver flux and black fusion color have been just super, super hard to get your hands on. I think we're actually supposed to have at least one more bike this color coming. This week or next week. Sharp. These things, the camera doesn't do it justice. This color is just amazing in person. That's about the third or fourth one we've got in, and they don't last long. So if you know somebody looking for this color bike, now would be the time, because I would be surprised if it's still here at the end of the week. I don't think there's any way it will be.
I'm trying to sell twice today.
What's that?
So I'm trying to sell twice today.
Yeah. So it won't last. If you know somebody, here she is. We finally got one in that's not already sold. And if you step this way, there's Derby.
I wasn't ready. Oh.
The boys in the back have been still playing, doing some powder coating, just messing around with colors. We thought that kind of a copper color or bronze would look killer on this white bike, and we were right. It is super, super sharp. It might be hard to catch on camera. It's kind of a dark color, but it is absolutely beautiful. We're going to leave this bike up here on the showroom so people can check it out.
I just like the little things they did.
Yeah, the little accents just set it off. Ignition switch. We got some exhaust cover over here that was done. I mean, just little things that set the bike off a little bit. Customs build.
Battle of the Kings.
We've come a long ways on that bike. We're getting ready to start with audio on it. We're all going back and forth in what we should do for paint. We go from, okay, this is what we're going to do, to the complete opposite end of the spectrum, and now this is what we think we're going to do. If you guys have any ideas, you've seen that bike, give us some ideas. Tell us what you think would look good on it.
Might save a Royal Rumble in the back.
Yeah, we might not have to punch each other. We'll get some boats or something.
Cutthroat.
Yeah. Other than that, we got bikes to sell. We're here. It's very beautiful out. Stop by and see your favorite Harley people. We'll talk to you later.
And Canoe.
Nice.